Hello everyone. In this video I am going to discuss one of the most important concept in higher class trigonometry, that is all sine tan cos. Now what's there in all sine tan cos? So first I am going to draw one circle and this coordinate system. The name of the circle is unit circle. So from the name what you can assume? If you can't assume anything, the unit circle stands as the radius of the circle as 1 unit. Radius of the circle as 1 unit. Okay. And one more thing, this is my x-axis, this is my x dash, this is my y-axis, this is my y dash. So in first quadrant, if I will take any point as x comma y, from the concept of coordinate geometry, if I will draw a line over there and line over there, so can we say that this line will be equals to y, length of this, and this portion will be equals to x. Now what will be equals to this line? This line is the hypotenuse, which is also the radius of the circle. So can we say that this is equals to 1? Correct? So from the first quadrant, if I will take this angle as theta, so can we write that sine theta equals to y divided by 1, which is equals to y only. Cos theta equals to x divided by 1, which is equals to x only. And tan theta equals to sine theta by cos theta, that is y divided by x. Right? Let's move to second quadrant. In second quadrant, the point x will become negative and point y will become positive, so it will be minus x comma y, right? So if I will just drop this perpendicular over there and join this in the center, so what will be the length of this two portion? If I just ask you, so this will be minus x, this will be y, this will be as usual 1, it is the radius of the circle, right? So do you agree that this angle will also be theta? Why? Why this angle will be theta? Just simple thing, just use the concept of congruent triangle. Though this is minus x, the length of this two portion will be the absolute value of x. This is y, the radius of the circle, that is also equal. So by SSS, these two triangles will be congruent. So can we say that this angle is also theta? So if I have to calculate sine theta in this quadrant, so can we write sine theta is equals to y divided by 1, which is equals to y only. Cos theta is equals to minus x divided by 1, which is equals to minus x. And tan theta equals to y divided by minus x. Right? Let's move to this quadrant, third quadrant. The point will become now minus x comma minus y. So using similar concept, the concept of congruency only I will use to find the angle theta. So similar concept if I use, now my sine theta will be minus y by 1, which is minus y. Cos theta will be minus x, and tan theta will be y divided by x. Right? So if I move to this quadrant now, the the coordinate will be x comma minus y, right? So this is x already I wrote, so this will be my minus y. So my sine theta will be minus y, cos theta will be x, tan theta will be minus y divided by x. See, I calculated only the sine of sine theta, cos theta, tan theta. Because whatever will be the sine of sine, that will be the sine of cosec theta. Whatever is the sine of cos theta, that will be the sine of sec theta. Whatever is the sine of tan theta, that will be the sine of cot theta. Right? So now if I will check in the first quadrant just take sine, cos, tan, all positive. Right? Second quadrant if I will move, sine is positive. Right, but the cos and tan is negative, right? Third quadrant if I move, sine negative, cos negative, but tan is positive, right? After that, fourth quadrant, cos is positive, but sine and tan is negative. Only this quadrant I just marked it wrongly. All this yellow mark, just check, yellow mark things are positive. right? So from the first thing, for the first quadrant, can we say that all trig ratio are positive? In second quadrant, sine is positive. Third quadrant, tan is positive. And fourth quadrant, cos is positive. So from there, very important theory part you need to remember, that is quadrant wise, if the angle will be divided, then it will be all sine, tan, cos. Like this, the sine will come. SIGN sine will come. In the first quadrant, sine of all trig ratio is positive. In the second quadrant, only sine theta is positive. Third quadrant, tan theta is positive. Fourth quadrant, cos theta is positive. So this is the representation of angle in different quadrant. In next video, I am going to discuss some more thing related to this. Stay tuned. Thank you.